Okay, hello, the students of the group 211KI. Today is, let me see the timetable. So today is the 18th of November 2020. So today, now it is the fourth lesson, the lecture, the 12th lesson, the lecture. So which lecture we have today? So let us go to the Moodle first. Moodle, the Moodle. Let us open. Sorry, let us open the Moodle. Let us enter my name and arrow. Okay, so computer science and engineering first course. Okay, so previous time we had a laboratory work yesterday. Okay, the laboratory work class online compilation. So we take a class, first statical class, second dynamical class from our previous laboratory work, and compile statical class in GDB Online compiler, dynamical class. So the result of compilation is the same. So and the heritage, so two classes, cPoint and derived from cPoint class cCircle derived from cPoint class cCircle. So class cCircle public cPoint. Okay. So and compile it. So three compilations. So the task was to compile three listings, to make three screenshots, and to send. Okay, so this is the previous task. So now let us compare two languages. So the C++ language and the Java language. Okay, so this is C++ program with the class and the Java program. So first Java program is today's our topic. Okay, so let us return to our initial page of computer science and engineering first course in Moodle. Okay, so and let us add the topic, the next topic. So the reduction, the addition mode. I'm sorry, the addition mode, and let us add new topic. Topic 9, тема 9 in Russian. So which topic 9? So it is necessary to add the lecture 11. So add the element, добавить элемент, file, let it be file. Okay, which file? With the name lecture 11. Lecture 11. Which lecture 11? C++ and Java. And Java. Okay, lecture 11 and Java. Okay, so I will create the file maybe later. Okay, not now. Okay, but this is our topic. So first, let us go to the Microsoft Visual C++ 6.0. Okay, so let us close the current space. No. Wrong. Very interesting. So close workspace. Nothing happens. Okay, so let us close. Okay, so and let us start again. So now I will start Microsoft Visual 6 plus C++ 6.0 again. So you cannot see, but now you will see. So okay, so file Resident Workspace is a class, the project is a class. Sorry. Okay, so this is our original project. Original project. Sorry. Original project of the class. Without any declaration. Okay, so this is our original project of the class. So the declaration of the class, the constructor, the destructor, and so on. So what it is necessary to explain you now. So we separately declare the class, and after this separately realized the methods of the class. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 methods, the functions, the methods. Okay, so what it is necessary to show you. So it is not necessary to separately declare and to separately realize. So this is my purpose for you as novices to show what it is necessary, how to create the class. First, the declaration, so second, the realization of its methods. Okay, and only after this it is possible to create the object and to use, with the help of the object, the functions and the fields, the variables, okay, of this class. Okay, so, but it is not not necessarily to separately declare and to separately realize. So it is possible to realize the functions just in declaration. Okay, for example, let us realize the constructor just in the declaration of the class. Okay, so this is the content, this is the realization of the constructor of the first function. Okay, so let us take this realization. So Control C, and let us paste here. Better here. Control, so to more comfortable viewing, it is better to arrange a little. Okay, so you see the declaration of the constructor just in the realization of the constructor just in the declaration. Okay, so the headline, the prototype, and the realization. Okay, so this is not necessary now, so let us comment. Let us comment this text. Okay, okay, or even it is better to remove it all. Okay, remove. So, yes, so let us remove this prototype. Okay. Yes, so it is possible to realize the function just inside the declaration of the class. So let us compile. 0 error 0 1. 0 error 0 1. Let us execute. Okay, so to show you the result. Yes, the same. The result is the same like in previous cases. So it is necessary to press any key and you see the result. The result is the same, nothing changes in the execution. Okay, so, but in C++, it is possible in modern programming to do the miscellaneous of declaration and the realization to realize inside. So why I did not do this at the very beginning. So to show you the stages. So first it is necessary to declare, yes, and after this it is necessary to realize, the methods, to realize the method. Okay. Yes, for novices it is better to separately declare and separately realize, to know all the stages of the creation of the class. Only after this it is clear for us what we do. So first we declare the class, and only after this it is necessary to realize, to describe the declared functions, the declared methods. Okay, of the class. And after this we create the object. So why I tell you all this? Okay, so my antivirus treats the created execution file okay, like a Trojan. Okay, so let's remove this window. Okay, so it is possible to go to the GDB online compiler and compile, nothing changes. Okay, so let us go to the GDB online compiler. Yes, let us copy this. Let us go to the GDB online compiler. So it is necessary to go to the internet. Okay, so internet is Moodle, and let us open GDB. Yes, GDB online compiler. Okay, so let us press Ctrl A, Ctrl V. So let us. Nothing happens. Okay, so it is necessary to return. Okay, to return. So to see, to show you to return. Okay, so let us press Ctrl A and Ctrl C to copy. One more time, and to paste into GDB. Press Ctrl V. Yes. Okay, so now let us let us select the C++ language. Okay, and let us press run. Okay, so instead of Windows H, as I told you previous time, see please the previous lesson, the laboratory work with compilation. It is necessary to put another inclusion. So for example, UniStandard, UniSTD. Yes, UniStandard. Okay, instead of sleep function from Windows H, it is necessary to put uSleep function in lowercase. Sleep function, but it function measures the time in microseconds. So 40 milliseconds means 40,000 microseconds. Okay, so to obtain the same delay result. Okay, so and C++ modern compiler does not compile the void main function. It is require the integer main function. Okay, so after this short rebuilding, so let us press run again. Okay, so you see the result of compilation. The result is this. Very well. So it is. Oh, yes. Let us check. Yes. Yes. So you see what? Let us check the class. So and you see that it is possible even in GDB compiler to have a miscellaneous of declaration and the realization. So to realize the function just in the declaration of the class. So it is possible to realize all the function in the declaration, not only the constructor. The destructor may be realized here, the height, show, and move may be realized just in declaration. For example, the destructor. Let us realize the destructor just here. So the destructor, let us realize the destructor just here. The destructor. Okay, the destructor. Put semicolon. Or maybe it is not necessary to put semicolon. No. I think that it is necessary. So here it is not necessary because we separately so declared and separately realize. But here we declare and realize. Okay, so let us try, let us check. Okay, so let us comment this. Yes, and let us press run. Let us press run. Let us check. If is it necessary to put here semicolon or not? Yes. Maybe, oh. So the semicolon is put it here, so it is not necessary. Okay, just press run again. Yes, you see the result is the same. So it is not necessary even to put here the semicolon. So the program understands that it is the realization of the function. Okay, so the conclusion is this, that in objective-oriented language, it's like C++, so it is possible to have a miscellaneous of declaration and realization. It is possible to realize just in the declaration, the functions. Okay. So, but for you as novices, it is better to realize function after the declaration separately, to declare and separately to realize, to see all the stages of the creation. So, for better understanding. Okay. Yes. Here it is necessary to add semicolon after the prototype and remove this realization. Okay, and add here the semicolon. Yes, and remove the comment. Remove the comment. Yes. Okay, so let us be sure that it works. Okay. Yes. So it works. So compiled. Be compiled. Okay, so separately the declaration of the class and separately the realization. But it is no matter in modern programming, so it is possible to realize function just in declaration. Just in declaration. Okay, as you saw. One more time. Let us copy. Press Ctrl X. Let us comment this. Okay, let us put it just here. Okay, so and let us even it is possible to put here semicolon if you wish. Okay, if you wish. So, but it is not necessary. So let us press run again. So let us check first. Check. Yes. Let us press run again. Yes, the result is the same. The result is the same. Yes, so it is possible to, in the declaration of the class, to put the realization. So what we have, the class C point and the function C point in this class with this realization. So please remind this, please get in your mind all this features. So we have the class C point and the function C point in this C point class with the realization of this function. Okay, so the main function, it is the starting point of the program. So the compiler, so when compiles this program, for example, let us go to the Microsoft Visual C++ 6.0, the compiler. Okay, when we press to compile, the compiler so drops all this and finds the main function. So it drops all this information and go to the executing part. Maybe okay, search main function. So maybe it first sees the inclusions. Okay, so with what does it mean void, for example? Yes, main function, the main. So the type of the main void and the type of the main void. What does it mean void? Void is so the member one of this library. So after this, it returns to the inclusions. So after this, integer. What does it mean? This, for example, parents. What does it mean? Integer. So it is all is listed in this inclusions. Okay. So after this, what does it mean? C point. C point. So it the compiler returns here and see that this C point is a class. So to this, it automatically find the same function, the construction, and see the parameters, 4 parameters. So 4 parameters must be listed when we create object myPoint. And so on, how the compiler works. So the starting point is main function in the C language and in the C++ too. Okay. So, but let us now go to the Java. Okay, so the Java, the new language, the Java language. So let us return one more time to the Moodle. Yes, and see the topic of our lecture 11, C++ and Java. So why we considered C, why we considered C++? C is very old language, so C was created in 1969 by Dennis Ritchie. So C++, it is the development of C language. It was created 10 years later in 1979 by another Scandinavian programmer, Bjarne Stroustrup. Okay, so but now the modern language for programming, for example, in mobile telephones and smartphones. So this is a Java. So in Java is written Android, for example. Okay, the Java. So but Java it is developed C++. So this is the third stage. So first C, second C++, and in the beginning of 19th years of previous century was created Java, more developed language. The Java, it is the language to program the robots, because robot performs a lot of different functions. It is necessary to see, to hear, for example, to say something, to move, to perform a lot of actions. So different actions, different in their nature. Okay, so the actions differ in their nature, in their purposes. So to program different devices, it is better to say, because the robot, it is a set of different devices. The devices with different kinds of purpose. Okay, for example, the device to say, it is not the same as the device to move. Okay, the arm. So, for example, the eyes to see, it is the different kind of device. So it is necessary to have a very wide media for programming. Okay, so Java, it is very wide language. It is not a C, it is not even C++. So one of the creators of Java discovered, so this very interesting word, discovered, he tried to use C++ and for this purpose, but he discovered that C++ it is not good for this purpose. So he forced to create his own language, more wide, even not even in comparison with C, but more wide in comparison with powerful C++. So what is the feature of C++? The feature of C++, it is to create, for example, the graphical operational system, like Windows. For example, in the window, it is a lot of different, for example, buttons, for example, space bar, some labels, okay, and so on. Very wide interface, the lists, okay, the edits, like in this case. So this all the controls, so-called controls, to create the window with a lot of controls, like edit, like labels, like this bar, okay, and like buttons, for example. So it is necessary to have classes, so very wide interface C++, but to create, for example, to program the robot or even the mobile telephone, the smartphone, okay, so we have a lot of different kinds of actions, okay, so and it is necessary not only to have a wide interface, but a very big number of different platforms, okay, different languages, okay, so Java, it is very wide language, okay, this is a development of C++, as was discovered, so it is not good for this purpose, so the development of C++ is Java, okay, so now let us go to the Java. Let us create the first program in Java. How to create the first program in Java. So let us see the example. First Java program, hello world example. So this is the example of first program. As you see, the program is very simple. Okay, how to create the program in Java. It is necessary first to download the JDK, so-called the Java Development Kit, and install it. So let us see this link, Java Development Kit. So it is possible to download Java Development Kit. Okay, so sense, okay, Java Development Kit, so it is possible to yes, for the Linux, for example, for the OS, for the Windows 64, for example, Windows 64, maybe Windows 32, it is presented maybe in other sites, okay. So it is possible to obtain the JDK, Java Development Kit, JDK. Okay, so after the downloading and installing the Java development and install the Java Development Kit, yes. So we have, it is possible to write the Java programs. So how to write the Java programs? To write the Java programs, okay, so let us open, sorry, let me open, for example, my computer folder, okay, okay, so to show you how to operate, okay, my computer, where is my computer? Yes, so this is my computer folder. Okay, for example, in disk D, let us create the folder. Okay, so создать, to create the folder, папка. Okay, so which folder? For example, Java projects. Very well. So this folder now is, as you see, Java project. So in this Java projects, where is this Java projects? Java projects in J, where is J? Java projects. Yes, Java project. In this Java project, so the folder now is empty. So let us create the text file. Создать, to create the text document, текстовый документ. So in Notepad, текстовый документ. Okay. So after this, let us go to our Java hello site. Yes, let us take this text of the program, copy. Okay, and let us go to other text document. Oh, I'm sorry. Let us go. It is not this text document. Okay, the empty text document. Okay, so in the this text document, let us open this text document which we created in the disk D. One more time, Java projects. Yes, text document. Let us open this text document. Okay, let me show you this text document. So, and let us paste Control V this here. Okay, so let us see the structure of the program. Okay, so for better view, I said you that it is better to put the brackets in this, the parentheses in this manner. Okay, so the class, but this is, let us see the original site, Okay, this is the so-called simple program, Yes, but in Java, the creator of the Java requires that the name of the class must coincide with the name of this text document. For example, laboratory 0, for example, 1. Laboratory 001. So this is the name of the class. Okay, so after this, what you see? So let us compare with the C++. So let us go to the Microsoft Visual Studio. Yes, so what we see, the class, and in the class, the function cPoint with the realization. Okay, so let us go to the Java program. So the class with the name lab, and what we see, the main function, and the main function in its realization. So to better view it, it is better to rearrange the code in this manner. Okay, Ahmed. Ahmed, can you hear me?
I hear you. I apologize, my professor, because I have a problem with login in last few days.
Okay, so Ahmed, can you put now in the WhatsApp so the message for your group to enter this conference?
Okay, okay. Right now I will send them.
Do it now, Ahmed. Yes, it is better because today is very important. Okay, Ahmed, is it okay?
Yes, it's okay, but nobody answer actually.
So we have Yadav. Oh, okay, Ahmed, very good. So thank you very much. Very well. So Ahmed, what is our today's so let us return to the previous project. Okay, so one of our previous projects is the class. So we created the class. Okay, so do you understand what happens here? Ahmed, please.
Yes, I understand.
Yes, so we declare the class, but separately, okay, so let us return. Separately, we realized the methods of this class. Okay, separately to create the class, to declare the class. So 4 variables and 5 functions. This is the class cPoint. And separately, we realized the methods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in objective-oriented languages like C++, it is possible to realize the functions just in the declaration. So let us take this realization of the constructor and put it here and put it just in the class. Okay, so it is possible to realize. Yes. So now we realize the constructor, one of the function of the class cPoint, just in declaration. Even it is not necessary to put here the semicolon. So after this, it is necessary to declare this line, and let us press compile. So all compiles. So let us press build and let us press execute. So now I will show you the result. Okay, the result of execution. Press any key, so the result is the same as we saw one of previous times. Okay, so what is the conclusion from this? That in objective-oriented programming, it is possible to realize the function just in the class cPoint and one of the function. Today's our topic is Java, the first program in Java. So the next objective-oriented language, the Java modern language in which the Android, for example, is written. So C++ and Java. Okay, so we go to the first program in Java site. We take this program. So, and now in just in usual Notepad, it is necessary program. Okay. Very well. Okay, so how to create the program in Java? One more time. Off your microphone. Okay. So, for example, in a folder, in some disk, for example, in D disk, okay, so my antivirus treats our exe file of our program like a trolling. Okay. So in D disk, it is necessary to create the folder. So one more time. Okay. No, one more time to create the folder. Okay, so I now delete the folder. So to create just in your computer in some place the folder. Okay, let us create the folder. It is not necessary to create the folder. Okay, so for example, Java projects. Okay, the name of this folder, Java projects. Now this folder is empty. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so in this folder, it is necessary to create the textual document. Okay, so in this textual document, okay, so let us open it. So let me show you this text document. Okay, now it is empty. So in this text document, so it is possible to put the text of Java program. Let us go to the site. Okay, for example, this site Java Hello World example. Okay, first Java program Hello World example. Okay, so this is the first Java program. Let us take this program, press Ctrl C. Let us return to the Notepad and let us paste it here and let us analyze. So in this program we have the class. The name of the class is sim. So let us rearrange this text. So the class to better viewing. So this is the class. In this class we have the main function. Okay. So let us rearrange the main function. Okay, to better viewing. Okay, the main function and the realization of the main function. Okay, so this is the structure of the first program in Java. So the class, yes, with the main function. Okay, so let us return to the C++ class project. So the class with some function inside the class, the realization inside the declaration. It is possible. Okay. So now let us return to Java. So the class and the realization of the main function. So, but the name of the class must coincide with the name of this textual document. So, for example, let be the name, for example, laboratory 001. Laboratory 001. Okay. Yes, so the main function, void main function, so the argument of main function, the array of with the name args, so the type string, so the type of the class string of Java. So public static main. So this is the starting point. So now, instead of function printf used in classical C, so in Java, the print line function is used. So print line, what print line? Hello Java, print line, hello Java in console, Okay, so this print line is a member of the out, and out is a member of the system. Okay, so print line from out from the system dot out dot print line. Okay, very well. So all the objects in Java are created dynamically, not statically, but dynamically. So to create something statically in Java, it is necessary to put the keyword static. Okay. So you see the structure, very good. You see the structure of the program. So instead of just main function, like let us return to our program C++. So instead of simple main function, so let us find the beginning of them. Yes, main function. So in Java, the main function is originally placed in the class, inside the class. The name of the class, this is the main class, must coincide with the name of the file. So it is necessary now to save this file. Сохранить как? Save as. So it is necessary to save. First, it is necessary to save with the name of the class, laboratory 001, that 001. Okay, so and to put here all the files, все файлы, okay, not the textual files, but all the files, and to change the extension, instead of txt, it is necessary to put here Java. Okay, let us save, сохранить. Okay, so let us go to the folder, to our folder. The folder, it is necessary to separate the Java files from other files. Okay, so and you see, so the file Java 001, lab 001 with extension Java appears. So it is, this file is not necessary now. Let us remove it. Okay, so let us open this file. Okay, so to show you. Yes, so this is our file. Very well. Okay, so how to start this program? Okay, so let us go to the first Java project site. Okay, so let us write. So first Java program, Java hello world exam. Okay, the site. Okay, so the sites with first Java program, the number of the site is very big in the internet, any site. So first, it is necessary to install Java in your computer to be sure that Java is installed. For example, download the Java Development Kit, the JDK. So we have a link. Let us press this link. Okay, so for example, Java downloads Oracle JDK download. Let us press. So you have a lot of different JDKs for the Linux operational system, for the OS operational system, for Windows 64 operational system. Maybe it is necessary to have the Windows 32 operational system. So it is necessary to find Java Development Kit, for example, for Windows 32. Okay. Yes, to download and to install in your computer and to install. Okay, so let us return to download and install it. So after this, we create this first textual file with the extension Java. So here the name is simple and the name of file must be simple too. So to compile. So in your computer, you have the command row. For example, if it is Windows. So if it is Apple, so you have just like command row too. In Apple, we have just something like a command row. I forgot how it called. Okay, so please see how I do this in my Windows computer. Command row. So command row. So it is necessary to press start button, Yes, and to okay, now I will try to show you. Okay, to press start button. Okay, start button is not available here. Okay, so to press start button and to you cannot see this, instead of all the programs to execute. Okay, to run. Okay, maybe now it will be available. Yes. So the start, yes, the run. Okay, so and here you may put command cmd command to open the command row. Anyway, it is necessary to open the console window. Command cmd. So press OK. Okay, so now you have the command, the console window. So in this console window, it is necessary to change the directory. So now our textual file. So let us return to our folder. So our file with the Java program is placed in in Java projects folder. This Java projects folder is placed in local disk. So it is necessary in this case to change the directory, instead of C, document and settings admin, okay, directory. So it is necessary to change the directory. So for example, disk. Okay, so now we are in disk D. So after this, so D, it is the change, not a directory, to change a disk. So after this, it is necessary to change a directory, instead of D. So now D, where is D? So let us see. So now D. So now we in D. So we open D. So now we are here. But it is necessary to put in, to step inside this folder. So to change the directory from this root directory of the disk D to this Java project folder. Okay, so it is necessary to change the directory with the help of command cd, change directory. So let us return to our Java first program site. Okay, so let us see how it works. Okay, so yes, change directory cd. You see here, change directory, for example, new directory, change directory in disk C, cd, the command cd to change directory. Okay, so let us return in our, let us return in our window. Okay, to change directory cd. So which cd? Cd Java project, cd Java projects. Okay, change directory to Java projects. So Java projects. Yes, and press enter. Okay, so we are now inside the directory Java project. How to compile the project? Okay, so let us return to the site. Okay, so it was necessary to download the JDK and install the JDK. Okay, so what it is necessary? The compiler, it is necessary. Ahmed, do you understand me?
Yes, I get all these things actually.
Yes, yes. So the compiler, it is necessary. So all we need the compiler, how to compile this textual file, because now it is just a text. So
A program, yeah.
it is necessary to have a compiler. Okay, in this JDK, we have a compiler. We have a special compiler. But how to compile? So it is it is necessary to be sure that in JDK compiler, this compiler is available. So yeah, very nice to see. Okay, so in this compiler, we have, in this JDK, we have a Java compiler. So Java compiler, the name of Java compiler is Javak, Java and C in the end, Javak, the Java compiler. So please say the same, please see the same site in Russian. So Java compiler, Javak exe must be presented in JDK. For example, JDK, Java program files, Java JDK 15 bin in bin must be Javak. Bin must be Javak. So let us find Javak in my computer. So I have Java in my computer. So let us go to the to my computer folder. Okay. So let us open my computer. Yes, and let us open C. Let us open. Okay. So we have C disk Java, for example, or even program files. Okay, so let us try to find in program files Java and program files. Let us open. Okay, so two kinds. So the bin. Okay, so but Javak is absent here. Javak here is absent. So Java R, Java C, Java CP, Java CR, but Javak is absent here. Java compiler here is absent. So for example, the next bin. Okay, so let us check. So Java CR, Javak is absent here. Javak here is absent. Okay, or maybe, okay. So Javak here is absent. So, okay, so Javak here is absent. Okay, so let us return to the site, Okay, so what it is necessary after changing the directory? To put the name of your file and before to put the path to Javak. For example, Javak now, as we saw, Javak exe now in bin in JDK 15. So JDK 15 in Java, Java and program files are now in C. So it is necessary, After step in our directory, so instead of C Java, we have now, let us see again, I'm sorry, let us see again. What is wrong? Something wrong. Let us try to. Okay, so instead of C Java, we have D Java projects now. Okay, so in this D Java projects, it is necessary. So to type all the paths to Javak, Okay. So instead of this, so in my program, okay, one more time, next attempt, okay, no, sorry, Yes. So instead of this, it is possible Javak without any path. The name of the file. Java. Press and press. Okay, so the compilation was successful. The compilation was successful. So now let us return to our folder, Java project. Okay, so my computer, D, Java projects, and let us check. So what appears? Java projects. In Java projects, after this successful compilation, the next file appears, lab001 with extension class, Okay, so after this, it is possible to return to our command row and to start this program. So with the help of Java, and the name of the class, lab001, and no extension. Please see the result. Hello Java. Okay, so this is the result of the execution of our program. So please see again. So in our program, we have a message, hello Java. Okay, so this is a result. Okay, one more time. No. One more time. Okay, one more time. Yes. Java, hello Java. Okay. Ahmed, do you see it? Ahmed, please tell me. Okay, so Ahmed is absent, but this moment is very, very important. So hello Java. Okay, so instead of how it happens that it is possible to put here Javak, So in your computer, so you have, so now let us stop the demonstration and I will try to show you something. So in your computer, yes, you have the folder, my computer folder. Okay, so let us open the Explorer. Okay, so and in Explorer it is necessary to open my computer. Okay, so now I will show you. So the Explorer and the my computer folder. So here is the my computer folder. It is necessary to press right button, okay, and to open the properties of my computer. Let us open the property window. Okay, now I will try to show you the property window, if it is possible. Okay, the property window. Okay, the property window. Okay, in this property window, so we have the, okay, so the name of the computer, okay, so the equipment, and the more, okay, дополнительно the addition, okay, the more. So in this more, we have the variables of the environment variables, переменные среды. Let us press environment variables. Okay, so let me show you this environment variables. Okay, let us stop the demonstration and show you the environment variables if it is possible. Sorry. Okay, environment variables. Oh, environment variables are not possible to show you. Or maybe you see environment variables. Okay, so let us return. Yes, let us return. Okay. Amer, are you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Amer. Are you see the environment variables window? So here, Google, do you see this?
Yes.
Very well. So you see this. Okay, so what it is necessary to see? So it is necessary. So first, the variables of the environment of the user. For my computer with the name admin. Okay, so here we have Java home variable. The variable переменная and the value, значение. Okay, so where is this Java? Okay, so let us press изменить, to change, to see where it is located. So in C, in program files, in Mathematica 6.0 system files, Java, Windows, bin. Okay, so the next window, so the system variables. So which system variable is now important? The path system variable. So let us press change to check all this path. Okay, so a lot of passes is listed in this variable. So some pass ITI pass, it is not necessary now. So MCs, it is not necessary. Min GW, it is not necessary now. MPEG, it is not necessary. Unit systems. Okay, common files. So the next pass is some back burner. What does it mean, back burner? I even don't know. So GNU window binary, it is not necessary. So the Python, next language, the compiler of the Python, very well. So I'm sorry, after 10 minutes will be the termination of our program. So now let me open one more time. Okay, so the very well. So let me show you again. Yes. So we see the path. And Java Windows. Okay, Java. So where is Java? So Java now is in C, in program files, Mathematica 6.0 system files, Java, Windows in bin. Okay, so this path must be put it. Okay, let us press OK in path variable. So in environment variable window. Okay, so in environment variables, in properties of the system must be added. Okay, why all this? So let us open one more time our folder, my computer folder. Okay, so system C. So what is next? Program files, like in past, program files. Okay, so Mathematica 6.0. So system files. Yes, system files. What is next? System files. Or not system files. I forgot the path. Okay, system files. Maybe system files and system file Java. Do you see that here in Mathematica Java is present? Java, Windows. Okay, bin. Okay, so in bin, do you see Javac exit? So Java compiler is in this folder. So and Java exe and Java exe. Okay, so in folder bin, from the folder Windows, from the directory Windows, from the directory Java, from system files, from Mathematica 6.0, Mathematica program files, and C. So it is necessary to copy all this path. Press Ctrl C now. Okay, to copy all this path. After this, it is necessary to return in our console. Okay, so to show you one more time. Okay, in our console. No. Yes, so now let us try again. One more time again. To open the console. Okay, and to put here all this paths. If it is possible to press, to put it here, no. So it is necessary to retype all this paths. Okay, so this is a very hard process, Okay, so I will open this path for me. You cannot see, but I see. Okay, so C. After C, the colon, so this backslash, program files, yes, the next directory, Mathematica, Okay, so the next 6.0. Okay, so this is a feature of textile operational system. Before Windows, so all the work with computers was with the help of text mode operational system. To do something, it was necessary. So in the beginning, for example, of 19th years and in the end of 80th years of previous century, to type all this information manually. Okay, so without any windows, without any pictures. Okay, all the operational system was just text operational system and text mode. So the system files slash Java Windows and bin. Okay, so let us check C program files with capital Mathematica 6.0 system files Java Windows bin. Okay, so after this is possible to put the name of our file lab001 Java. So before this, to be sure, let us go to our folder, to folder with our projects, So let us open it in Explorer. Okay, the disk D, our Java projects. Okay, so and let us remove this file. Only our file with our program, yes, is here. Okay, so let us. Okay, so and let us return to compilation. Process. Okay, so it is necessary to have the next attempt. Okay, so let us repeat the compilation. So, for example, okay. So if it is possible to increase this window, okay, very well. So now instead bin, and in bin javak, and in bin it is necessary to indicate that we are the javak. It is necessary javak. Okay. So without registration in invariant variable, instead of javak, so javak is registered as I showing you. Okay, but without the registration in invariant variable, it is necessary to put here all the paths to javak, to the compiler. After this, the name of our laboratory 001 Java, and press the button. So the compilation is successful without any mistake. Okay, now let us return to our project folder. Okay, folder. There is key here, and you see that a file appears here. Lab 001 This is the result of compilation. Okay, but this is only compilation. Okay, how to execute? So we compile. Yes, how to execute, how to start. So let us return to our console. Yes. So here we must put Java and the same. So the path to the Java is necessary to repeat all this paths. See program files. So Amer, now I show you the work with computer a lot time ago. So the work was this. So this is a textual operational system, for example, MS-DOS. Okay, so and it is necessary to type. So and it is not possible to copy something, to copy and insert. In this textual mode, it is not possible. So this is the work, the usual work. For example, how much? 30 years ago, 30 or even 30 years ago, it was usual work. Instead of Windows, we have MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operational System. So this is MS-DOS. Okay, so in this way,